which is for a 5-carat stone, and like the last one, is just so undervalued. But the legacy opal's got to be, the whole collection has got to be broken up. It's been going since 1930, collected all the best stones. Now, anyone watching tonight, you can see that the quality of these stones and why they were collected all these years ago. This stone is around 60 years old. It's been in the collection from Lightning Ridge, full black opal. So you get one opportunity to own a stone from the legacy collection. One only chance.